in this particular video, I found this very easy to use and very useful tool which actually helps us to use the chat models which are not usually available for free to try and test out. So I found this tool which is known as OpenRouter.ai. So this is the tool which I am talking about, OpenRouter.ai. And in this tool, you can actually this is again an open source which actually provides a chat model for free, which are not usually available for free. So it has all the, let me just click on the model and let me show you. So there's a lot of, you can see cyber alpha then. Let me just type free over here and you will get to see there's a lot of models available which you can actually integrate with your AI agents at the backend and use it. So here's DeepSeek and Google Gemini 2.0, Cypher Alpha, Quen, Mistral, Nemo, Quen. Then you can, now you get it my point. Google Gemma 3, Microsoft MAI, a lot. Llama is also there. So all of these models are not usually available for free, but when you are enrouting it through OpenRouter.ai, you can actually use it for free. And how you can actually practically use is what I am gonna be covering in this particular video. Then let me just open my dashboard of n8n. And so this is how the n8n.io dashboard looks about. And this is again a low code platform where you can actually build your AI agent. So let me just click on create workflow and I'll just create a basic chat model, and I'll show you how you can actually integrate it in your workflows. Open router, how you can integrate it in your workflow. So let me just open it and put chat as the trigger, and let me just use this open router as the brain of this particular model. So when you have created this, you can, under the chat model, you will be using open router. So this is all you have to do for using open router. Just search for open router and you can see over here the third option, sorry, is about open router chat model, and you just select that and again connect your account. Since mine is already connected, that is why it is showing that. And for models, how do you select the only free models? Is again, when you click on this model, just search for free and you will get to see all the listed free chat models are there, and you can select these, and you can actually create use this as the backend of your chat model. So for example, if I select this, you can now see it is there, and this is how you can actually practically use a agent, the brain of multiple different agents without spending a penny. And this tool is very useful for when you are just trying and testing out and you want to see which model works better in what use cases. So this is the tool you should be not be missing out, and that is how you should be using it. And I've already given you multiple, there are multiple hundreds of tools and models are available which you can just try and test out. Again, not all models are, for example, OpenAI model is there, Grok AI model is there, then Gemini is there, Perplexity is there, Claude is there. But then again, you need to understand when to select, for which model to select for which research purpose. For example, if you are trying to build an agent which is capable of doing coding, then I would suggest you use the model as Claude as the model, as the brain of this model. And when you are just doing a basic research work or a deep research work, then OpenAI 4.0 model will also work. Then again, these models are out there for us to use. You have to select the model based on your use cases, and that is how you should be selecting the model. And it is not very much techy, it's just that you have to stay updated that which model specializes in which thing, and based on that. So for example, now the most hype talked about thing in the town is VO3 as of now, because it is giving such great output on the video. So if you are trying to build a model and an agent which is capable of doing, some graphics or video graphics or something like that, then you should be selecting for VO3. If you are creating a chat model, then again, a 4.0 model for chat GPT will work better. But again, all these models are paid, and there are some limitations. But if you don't want to spend anything, then OpenRouter.ai has come to rescue, and you can use all of these models for free. And I've already given you demonstration. This is how you can actually integrate OpenRouter in your workflow, and you can actually practically use it. And then from here, you can use it in whichever use cases you want. And that's all about it in this particular video. And try and test out things in your own way. Be the Picasso of your painting. Paint the canvas whichever way you want. Just explore it, and you will find your way through it. So that's all. And let me know in the comment section if you have any queries, and all the resources will be there in the description box for you to refer from. And in the comment section, you can let me know if you want any specific topic to research, to watch any specific topic, then I'll research and get back to you on this particular channel. And that's all about it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.